Welcome back to Past Light Insight Academy. On our previous video, we explained about the basic of bearing and distance. If you're having challenges on bearing and distance, please go and watch my previous video where I explained the basic. Where can you start your bearing and distance? I told you about the reference points that is starting from the north. I explained the difference between the whole circle bearing and the quadrilateral bearing. So today we are working on bearing from one point to another. So this is the second part of our videos. And please, if you have not watched the previous one, kindly watch that before you can understand this. So let's see. Find the bearing of A from B. If B from A, from where? From A, just go to this. From A. So you have a point of A. Is 140 degrees. So your solution one starts now, 140 degrees. So you draw your four cardinal points this way. Your north, your south, east, and west. So from 140, I told you from the beginning here is 90. So 140 will be in the second quadrant here. So this 140, just draw it down this way. So meaning from the beginning to this particular point here is 140 degrees. That is it. Draw another cardinal point here. Just draw it that way. So this A and these are B. Then the question is asking us that find the bearing of A from B. So we know B from A. So we are looking for A from B. We need this line. And I told you that on our law, we need to add from the reference, this is the reference point, north, this south, this east, and this west. We'll continue adding until we reach this particular line. So let's continue adding. So from here to here is 90. To this place 180. To this place 270. So that's what we are having there. We have not reached the line, and we are going to the line. So then you ask for this particular point here. What should be there? So go up and see. You can see it here. If here is 140, the up is 90. 140 minus 90, what do you have? So if you have 140 minus 90, that is what? 50. So this small part here is 50 degrees. Then 50 plus the up 90, 140. So let's draw our Z here. This is it here. This is Z. So even when you see Z, as far as you draw the Z, if here is 50, this place here is 50. Which law is that one? Is alternate angle in mathematics. If here is 50 degrees, here too is 50 degrees. We call it alternate angle are equal. Then meaning that if here is 50, this place is 50. Then we go to the answer. Since this point is 50, so let's add again. So the bearing of A from B now is equal to, continue adding, 90 plus 90 plus 90 till you reach that point. What is there? 50. This is 50 till you reach this line, this particular line. So let's see, 90 plus 90, 180, plus 90, 270, plus 50, that is 320 degrees. So the bearing of A from B is 320 degrees. So example 2, find the bearing of S from Y. If Y from S is 210 degrees. So let's do that together. So we're having something this way, 210. And when you have your cardinal points, you can even draw, okay, 90, 180, it will be the third quadrant here. So let me draw it here this way. So you will know from here to here is 90, here is 180. So 210 will be on this side. So that's why I draw it there. So this is 210. So that is to that. So if you are going to label, so let's label the points. This is north, south, east, and west. From the beginning to this particular point here, to this point, is 210 degrees from the questions. And instead, starting from S, so this S. So from S, that is your starting point. Then this is Y. Then the question says, find the bearing of S from Y. So I need this now. You see now, we are looking for S from Y, from this Y, this line. So let's see the line together. So we need this point from the beginning. I told you from the beginning, this is the line. So this particular line, that is what you need. Don't stress yourself. So north, south, east, and west. So let's go there to get it here. If here is 210, then when you have 210 minus 90, 180 minus 180, so it's remaining 30 degrees. This particular one, this small one here is 30 degrees. That is 30. So let's draw our Z. So this is Z. That is Z. So when you have something like that this way, you're having Z this way. So this is Z. Anything that is here is 30 degrees. This place too is 30 degrees. So reason alternate angle are equal. Your alternate angle are equal. So mean that this particular point is 30 degrees. Then you can conclude now that S from Y is equals to 30 degrees. 30 degree final answer. So the third question now, if P, Q, R are points such that the bearing of Q from P is 300 degrees, from P is the starting point, and it's 300 degrees, that will be the last quadrant. So let's say this is the P, can draw the last quadrant, so let me just draw it here. This P is 300 degrees, but that is last quadrant to 360. So this is 300. So we're having from this to this point is 300 degree. 300 degree. From P to Q, there's another point here. And the bearing of R from P again, we are still on the same P, is 120 degrees. So don't forget this place is Q. So from P is 120 degrees. Same P, 120 will be on this side. This is 120 degrees. From the beginning to this point is 120 degrees. So you draw another point this way. Let me just draw it. Another point this way. So that's another point. So this R. Find the bearing of Q from R. So let's find that now. So that is what we are having. All the points is at star P. There's no point here, there's no point here. Then our question is that find bearing of Q from R. So this line. That is what we need. This particular line is here. So it's one that connects all of them together. So when you need this line, just continue from the beginning to this point, 90. Or from R, just go to the R. Here is 180. 180. Here is 270. 270. Then it remains this point here. That is what you need to add it up to reach that particular lines. So let's see. How can you get that? Focus on the diagram now. Here is 120. And anything here, that is what is here in your Z. So what will be here? This is 120. So remove 90 from 120. So 120 minus 90 degree. This square, this right angle, 90. So what do you have there? You have 30 degree. So that is 30. So from this point here, this point is 30 degree. Only this point alone. So let's draw our Z. This is Z. This is Z. So and I told you Z is alternate angle. So if here is 30 degree, here too is 30 degree. Alternate angle are equal. So this point is 30, this place too is 30 degree. So you are done. So let's add it again to get our Q from R. Q from R now. So we have 90 degree, 90. We have another 90 degree, 90. We have another 90 degree, 90. Then we have 30. So add them up together, this is 300 degree. So the bearing of Q from R is 300 degree. So try to do this quiz. If the bearing of P from R is 65 degree, what is R from P? What is the bearing of M from N? If the bearing of N from M is 315 degree. And lastly, the bearing of S from L is 285 degree. Find the bearing of N from S. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this particular topic is useful for WAEC students, NECO students, and those people in GSS2 and SS2. So they are doing bearing and distance, this particular term. Thanks.